In this video, I'm going to discuss how to choose the right plan for your new small business. Now, so many new business owners usually think about calling their accountant or maybe a lawyer to discuss their liabilities and exposures, but most forget about talking things through with a commercial insurance broker. Now, a commercial insurance broker can help you determine what type of hazards may be in place, help you to get the coverages, and fill in some gaps with liability exposures that you may have with your new business. Now, you'll definitely be glad that you had the right insurance in place to begin with while you're planning your business. If a claim was made against you and your business, you definitely want to have that right insurance in place so that you can keep your company financially stable and avoid out-of-pocket financial risk. So here are some things that you want to consider when planning your insurance plan. First, you want to ask yourself what you're liable for. So you want to consider slip, trip, and fall hazards on your property, or maybe if one of your products that you offer cause third-party bodily injury. You want to consider if you're going to be serving alcohol at special events, or if you're going to be serving alcohol not for profit at company parties, corporate parties, events, things of that nature. You also want to consider cyber liability risk and what type of plans you could get in place to avoid any out-of-pocket costs that may be associated with a cyber attack. So you want to look for all the potential hazards that you could be liable for in your business. Next, you want to take a look at your property, so your business's commercial property. Now, did you buy the building that you're going to be operating out of? Are you leasing or renting a space? And if a fire was to break out on your business's property, how much are you liable for if you are renting your space? You want to consider how much inventory that you have on hand, and during seasonal times, if you need an increase in inventory, how you can make sure that you are fully covered for replacement costs with your business's commercial property. Last, you want to consider employee considerations. So if you have employees that are working for you, you're definitely going to have to make some investment into, let's say, workers' comp. If there's a workplace injury, workers' comp is going to help you with medical costs, rehabilitation costs, loss of income associated with an employee workplace injury. So these are some of the things that you want to consider. You want to consider travel and commercial auto for your new business. If some of your employees are going to be using their personal vehicles to run business errands, if you own commercial vehicles in your business name, you're definitely going to need to consider commercial auto. So starting a business is super exciting, from creating your logo to maybe launching your website, getting your physical store up and running. It's super exciting. But again, you'll definitely be glad that you had the right insurance in place. And the number one thing that we recommend doing here at Colony Solutions is talking with an agent or broker to discuss your type of business and help get the right insurance plan specifically for you and your business. And you can reach us at 858-277-1585, or if you prefer, you could click a link somewhere in this video, in the description box below in this video, fill out a quick form, and one of the members of our team would be in contact with you. Either way, we look forward to working with you. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the other side.